Hi, I'm Pop.
I'm Map.
And welcome back to our channel. So, this is where I have my best friend react to Beanie videos.
Yay!
Okay. So, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe.
And like?
And, yeah.
Like agad.
Hindi. So, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe. And also, if magugustuhan niyo yung reaction video namin today, please leave a like and a comment for us. So, if may mga request kayo na ibang videos na gusto nyong i-request, ipanood sa non-Beanie fan or non-P-pop fan. Okay. So, it took us a little bit of time before we could record another reaction video kasi ang daming ganaps in real life. But, I watched yung Beanieverse sa Philippine Arena. So, siguro we'll do na lang at separate.
Last week yun, no?
Feb 15, nung Saturday. So, siguro gagawa kami ng reaction video dun sa mga clips na nakikita natin sa TikTok and ganyan, some other time. Pero for today, ang gagawin natin ay ipapareact natin si Maple for sa Blink Twice, the new single of Beanie.
May bago na agad.
Yes.
Ano ba to? This year lang to?
As in, ano lang, Feb 13 nila ni-release. Like, 2 days yata before nung concert.
Wow.
Oo, kasi, in preparation for their world tour, maglalabas sila ng EP.
Ano ulit ibig sabihin ng EP?
Extended play. Yung album.
Okay.
Oo. So, anyway, so just to, set transparency, no, ako kasi napanood ko na talaga tong Blink Twice kasi nagsistream ako. So, ilang beses ko na siya napanood. Like, siguro yung sa 5 million views, ako yung 1 million. But it's Spotify. So, I'm very, very familiar with the song and the MV already. And I've already seen it performed live by the girls nung concert nga. Okay? So, si Maple, wala siyang kahit anong idea. So, maybe may nakita kang story ko ng mga teasers, ganyan.
Wala. Hindi ako nanonood ng stories mo. Except yung mga sinesend mo doon sa messenger.
Salamat na sinasabi mo pa sa buong internet na hindi mo pinapanood yung stories ng best friend mo,
Hindi,
no?
kasi alam ko may ganito tayo. So,
sinungaling?
So, syempre,
hindi yung totoong rason.
Mapanood,
Hindi niya pinapanood kasi puro video yung stories ko. Anyway, so
sinesave ko para pag napanood ko to.
Sige, papaniwalaan na lang natin lahat yun. So anyway, so ang gagawin natin for today is, one, we'll do the we're gonna watch the MV twice. Yung first time, di tayo magpo-pause. Dire-diretso lang, from start to finish.
Ito.
Oo, so namnamin mo lang.
Okay.
Tapos, magbibigay tayo ng reaction natin.
Okay.
And then, we're gonna watch it a second time. Tapos, doon na tayo magpo-pause to see kung ano yung mga comments mo.
Okay.
Kung may comment ka sa ganitong damit, sa ganyang part ng kanta or whatever.
Bakit? Ba't kailangan twice?
Wala lang, para maganda.
Twice?
Oo. Hindi, tsaka parang feeling ko mas maganda siya. Kasi parang, like ako, nanonood ako ng mga reaction videos about this MV. Tapos nakikita ko ganun yung ginagawa nila. Mas maganda nga naman kasi namnamin mo as a first time viewer.
Okay.
Parang i-observe mo muna lahat, i-absorb mo bago tayo mag-comment. Okay? And, ayun na nga. So, guys, by the way, may comment kasi before dun sa video na, napapangunahan ko yung pinapanood namin.
Meron?
Oo. Diba? Sinabi mo sa akin. Anyway, so, kasi masyado akong excited eh. So, pasensya na kayo, guys, ha? Pero I'll try na wag kong pangunahan yung panonood niya sa mga reactions.
Okay, G.
Okay, game. Are you ready?
G.
Game.
I heard you like confidence. Well, I've got a lot of it. So, baby, it's common sense. Just don't be anonymous. I heard that you've been busy, yeah, I heard it through the grapevine. Trying my best not to step up on your landmine. But let's have some fun with it, 'cause you know I'm running it. Ooh, I'm lost inside your world, you got that symphony. Like da-do, da-do, da-do. If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice if you try to roll the dice. Let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice. He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me. Got me going crazy, baby. No, don't be lazy. Come over and chase me. Yeah, you better amaze me. I'm at the spot, baby. Tell me, are you ready or not? Don't you leave me waiting. Ooh, I'm lost inside your world. You got that symphony. If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice. If you're trying to roll the dice, let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice. Oh, ooh, he's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me. If you really like me, baby, then just blink twice. If you really like me, then you gotta roll the dice. If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice. If you're trying to roll the dice, let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice. He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me. He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me. Maybe he's just looking at me.
Teka, boss.
Ang ganda. Ang
Okay,
ganda yung kanta.
okay, thoughts, initial thoughts.
For some reason, meron akong naiisip na kanta, hindi ko maalala kung ano, pero yung part na if you're naughty or nice, may katono siyang hindi ko ma-pinpoint anong kanta. Pero anyway, kanina ko pa iniisip kung ano lalo na nung paulit-ulit, pero hindi ko, anyway, tsaka ako naiisipin. Maganda yung, parang alinis.
Oo nga.
Malinis yung compared dun sa, hindi ko alam, parang ewan ko, parang mas nag-mature sila kumanta. Ang linis ng vocals.
Hindi, tsaka, ano siya, I feel like, compared sa other songs nila, ano siya, yung nasa tamang level lang, hindi sobrang
Happy,
hyper, hindi sobrang,
alam
mo yun, basta, so sakto siya, nandun siya sa magandang middle.
Parang medyo kilig lang,
Oo,
hindi
ganon.
naman yung overjoyed, hindi naman yung,
Ako naman,
Ganda.
so okay, so I wanted to watch this with you the first time. Kasi nga, para makita yung reaction ko talaga na first reaction ko, ma-record natin. Kaya lang, syempre, hindi ko naman kayang pigilan yung sarili ko, no?
first time mo lang pinanood yung...
Hindi nga.
Okay.
So, I mean,
Ah.
before it was released, I was planning to ask you to, para let's schedule, to meet, yung ganyan.
Okay.
Kaya lang, super busy rin ako sa work nung time na yun. So, syempre, hindi ko na nahintay na maging available din si Maple. So, pinanood ko na siya. So, ayun. Anyway, so, nung una ko siyang napanood, share ko lang din yung thoughts ko. So, alam mo yung feeling na vindicate ka, na you're a fan of BINI. Kasi, oh my God, ang galing na nila. Parang yung level,
Tama
parang
yung
lagi
sinabi
nag-level
mo,
up.
yung ang galing na nila. I mean, magaling naman na talaga sila before. Ito, parang kumbaga naging teenager. I mean, yung nag-next level na, nagigets ko yung sinasabi mo. Ang galing, parang very, hindi ko alam yung words, pero parang sophisticated yung kanta in a sense na laid back, pero,
Gets ko. Hindi, tsaka even yung pinaka-MV mismo. So, yung mga MVs nila, maganda naman na talaga. 'Di ba kami may kanya-kanyang kwento. May mga series pa nga yung fans dyan. Kasi 'di ba like yung sa karera, parang nag-fall sila from the sky. Basta mga ganyan. So, ito 'di ba parang cyborg AI, ganyan. So, parang may mga connected silang theories doon na hindi na natin i-unravel today. Pero kasi masyadong
ganun
mahaba.
pala.
Pero anyway, ang point ko is, si BINI, every time they come back, or every time may bago silang i-offer, it always has something new. Parang lagi siyang level up. Hindi yung pababa. And I feel like, that's one of the reasons why they're very successful. Alam mo, there are just a few, hindi naman a few, no? Pero I mean, select people or select artists lang talaga yung nakakagawa nung maglalabas ka ng bago tas gustong-gusto pa rin siya ng mga tao kasi mas maganda siya, ganun.
parang malayo siya dun sa, ano yung mga unang kanta nila? Yung, hindi, malayo siya dun sa very high energy na
The Coconut
sinasayaw.
Nut.
Hindi, yung mga sinasayaw nila nung una. Ito, yun nga, parang magaang sa tenga. Hindi ko naman sinasabing hindi magaang sa tenga yung iba. Magaang siya sa tenga in the sense na ang sarap niyang pakinggan nang hindi kayong napapasayaw lang. Alam
Basta
mo
parang, ano siya, i-play mo sa background, ganyan. So, yun nga siya, parang nasa tamang level lang. Pero, pero ako, to be fair, ang iniisip ko, Kasi, parang ito, alam na nila na stars sila. Gets mo?
Ah.
Parang yung mga dati,
May sense of
oo, na parang alam na nila na, okay, meron na tayong, meron na tayong character. Kumbaga,
na-embrace na rin nila na, sikat na sila. Alam mo yun?
Okay.
Feeling ko
ay, hindi siguro hindi sikat. Parang na-embrace na nila na, yung
people love them.
full-fledged artists na sila. Kasi 'di ba yung mga umpisa yung ganyan, parang they're trying to reach that goal pa, yung ganyan whatever.
Sila
Pero
na
ito,
din, yeah.
feel na nila yan, sila na yan, Beanie na yan. Parang ganun yung dating niya sa
Ito na kami.
Oo.
Yun, Gets.
B-I-N-I. Charot, Beanie. Charot. Okay, sige.
Galing.
So, what about yung mga, sige, ano na lang, i-play na natin
Okay.
second time,
Sige.
tapos mag-pause ka every time may comment ka.
Sige.
Okay?
G. Mag-pause ka din pag may comment ka.
Paano ba ito i-pause? Ini-enter lang.
Isa pa ba?
Oo, sorry.
So, babalik lang tayo dito.
Pero may ad ulit. I-mute mo yung ad.
Ayun
Ayun
na,
na.
skip na lang. Ayan, replay. Yan.
Okay. Sorry guys, may technical difficulty. So, okay. Umpisahan ko na
Save us
agad.
from the love bus across the town.
Oo, kasi, okay, hindi ko pala isa-spoil. Tsaka na.
May ganyan t-shirt ka rin.
In-order ko pa lang, wala pa, hindi pa dumarating. Okay, fit check. Anong
Fit check.
Oo. So, kasi, di ba, parang sobrang colorful. Tapos, para siyang, hindi ba 70s yung ganyang style?
Yung colors.
Diba? Oo. Ako, ang pinaka-favorite ko, I think yung kay, oh my God, wait. I think yung kay Gwen.
Eto.
Oo, kasi simple lang, pero, sosh, yung ganyan. Pero, I think, ang pinaka-maganda, as in, kunwari yung sa bet mong babae na isusuot, ganyan, feeling ko kay Stacy. Ikaw, anong pinakamaganda for you? Si Colette? Si Colette talaga pinakamaganda, hindi lang yung damit, pati yung mukha, sa siya yung pinakamaganda
Hindi,
sa'yo.
maganda yung damit niya. Kasi siguro yung color.
Pero siya rin yung malapit, feeling ko yun talaga yung magiging bias. Pwede na ako makising along.
I heard you like confident.
Hello, low notes.
Alam mo, yun nga. Ang suabe.
Nung pagpasok niya, no? Oh my God.
as
Okay,
in,
guys, alam nyo naman, alam nyo naman, pero super Mika bias ako, right? I mean, from the very beginning talaga, si Mika talaga yung ultimate bias
Ang ganda
ko.
nung pasok ng Husky na una pa lang. Alam mo yun, suabe.
Silang lahat, maganda yung,
Oh my God.
ano,
Hindi na.
sandali, may kinukwento ko.
Oo.
Kinukwento ko yung, so, ayan, nakatingin. So, si Stacy kasi talaga, pag nakita mo siya in person, para siyang may ring light talaga. And napatunayan ko na
May ring light?
Oo, na sarili. Basta,
As in,
babe, ang ibig ko sabihin, sobrang ganda niya in person. Expression lang yung may ring light. So, nakita ko na si Stacy ng malapitan, like, siguro 3 times. Kasi, may pinuntahan akong Jollibee event. Tapos, yung Beanieverse, maganda yung seats namin. Tapos, itong Beanieverse sa PH Arena, di ba dumaan sila malapit. So, alam mo, ang hirap i-explain yung beauty ni Stacy kasi hindi mo siya ma-explain na matangos yung ilong niya, chinita yung eyes niya, hindi ganun. Ang beauty niya, nagtatranslate siya sa nararamdaman mo pag nakikita mo siya. Alam mo yung kunwari, okay, wala kang feelings, tapos dumaan siyang ganyan, yung mapapangiti ka.
sobrang ganda.
Oo, kasi kunwari, hindi yung features na, di ba, typical features na, okay, yung mata nga, ganyan, hindi. Pero yung kabuuan, pag nakita mo siya, may gaan ng loob.
Baka ibig sabihin mo rin yung aura.
Kasama na rin yun.
yung
Kasama
aura
na
niya.
din yun. Pero sobrang ganda niya talaga. Like, everyone I've talked to, as in, pag nakita nila si Stacy, iba rin yung level ng ganda niya. Tapos,
boses pa lang.
tas boses.
Gina.
Kaya sobrang bias wrecker ko siya ngayon, sa totoo lang.
Out of it. So baby, it's common sense. Just don't be anonymous. I heard that you've been busy, yeah, I heard it through the grapevine. Trying my best not to step up on your landmine. Let's have some fun with it, cause you know I'm running it.
Dami na babaliw sa itsura ni Aya sa MV na to. Sino yung
Talaga?
mga foreigner, who is she? Ganyan. Excuse me.
I'm lost inside your world, you got that symphony. Like da-do. If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice if you try to roll the dice. Let me give you.
May question ako, ganyan talaga kahaba mga buhok nila?
Yung iba naka-extend.
Nung concert?
Hindi.
Talaga?
Oh, pero, ma'am, okay, ma'am, kasi, I think guys, Blooms, correct me if I'm wrong. Inassume ko lang yun kasi syempre iba na yung dun sa 'di ba dun sa part 2, yung may dark, yung may ibang costume sila na part ng MV, iba na yung buhok nila. So I'm assuming ito yung hair nila. Hindi, ito yung hair nila before nag-makeover. Kasi nag-change sila ng look nitong December or after December para sa video.
Okay.
So like yan, pula pa yung buhok ni Mika dito, tas long hair pa si Sheena, pero currently short hair na si Sheena, tas brown hair na si Mika.
He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me.
Okay, hi Gwen. Char. Ganda ni Gwen. Hindi, so, yung chorus, sobrang catchy. Ay, alam mo yun, nung una ko siyang narinig ng buo, as in, paulit-ulit siya sa utak ko, buong araw. Ganon level.
Got me going crazy, baby, no, don't be lazy. Come over and chase.
In fairness, maaga pumasok yung rap.
Medyo
No?
maikli yung song this time.
Okay.
So, normally, sa K-pop, yung 2-minute mark is normal. Pero sa atin, sa P-pop, ang normal length ng music natin, di ba, mga 3 minutes, 4 minutes. So, medyo
Tsaka
short
diba usually
siya.
yung ibang songs nila, napansin ko ibang mga pinapanood
Sa dulo.
natin. Pang, di ba, first stanza, tapos chorus, verse.
Whatever.
Tapos, pang third pa usually yung rap. Pero ito, right after the first chorus, nag-rap agad
Feeling
si
ko
Mika.
kasi nga, hindi ganun kahaba yung kanta.
Okay.
Which is fine. Pero iniisip ito naman, girl, naisip mo ba kung gaano kalakas ang dating ni
Mika?
Mika? Grabe yung charisma niya. Guys, alam mo yung define mo yung Riz, it's Mika. Yung angas, girl. Si Gwen din, actually.
It's me, yeah, you better amaze me. I'm at this spot, baby, tell me, are you?
Angas.
Yung boses niya, ano...
Are you ready or not?
May pagka Nicki Minaj.
Oo, nilagyan niya kasi ng twang para dun sa attitude ng kanta. At mo, most replayed na part yan.
Talaga? Kasi tinawag
This
mo,
spot, baby, tell me,
diba?
are you ready or not? Don't you leave me waiting. I'm lost inside your world, you got
Ganda ni
this
Colette.
on me.
Like that.
If you like me blink twice, are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice. If you try to roll the dice, let me give you some advice.
So, bakit sa MV, bakit from ganong costume napunta sa ganitong costume? Kanina parang, ano bang context?
Feeling ko, it's the yung polar opposites of naughty or nice. Kasi di ba parang bright? Kanina nice. Ito na yung feeling ko lang
kaya
naman.
Kaya mga nakahiga na sa floor.
Hindi, I mean yung colors mismo. Like kanina, pastel colors,
colors
light
lang.
yung cinematography, ganyan.
Ngayon may
Tapos
mga-
ito, mas medyo sexy, tapos dark yung...
Okay.
Ako feeling ko lang.
Tsaka may nakahiga ata sa floor.
Nakasama sa chorus, hindi nakaniga. Parang nakali.
He's not even
Okay. Yes.
Ganda ni Stacy!
Maybe he's just looking at me.
Ay, babe. Ay, sorry. Ano mo ng konti? Paano to i-back ng konti?
Nakita mo, pumikit yung mga pet sa likod.
Oo. Kasi nga visual. Wait, ayan. Okay. So, eto, si Ling Ling. Do you remember?
Bibingkat.
Do you remember yung inampun nila? Tapos
yung cat
eto,
nila.
si Honey.
Okay.
Siya yung regalo ng fan. Di ba
Okay.
kinato ko sa'yo? Oo, pero guys, okay, again, sabi nga ng girls, let's not normalize giving live pets as gifts. Okay, anyway, yung nasa kanan si Paning. I think yan yung unang cat ng Bini. Pero, I think, naglayas. So, hindi na nila siya kasama.
Sana makita pa.
True.
Paning.
Pakaganda naman itong dalawang babaeng to.
Blink.
You really like me, baby, then just blink twice. If you
Ganda ni Jo.
really like me, then you gotta roll the dice. If you like me, blink twice.
Eh,
Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice. If you're trying to roll the dice, let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice.
Hello, Dan.
Not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me. He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me.
May Jolette.
Anong may Jolette?
Jolette, di ba si Joanna tsaka si Colette yung ship?
Maybe he's just looking at me.
Okay, reaction dun sa second costume. Attire.
Naisip ko kanina, ang dami nilang costume change.
Dalawa lang.
Ha? Nag-iiba pa kaya yung colors, hindi ba?
Hindi. Ano na ang suot nila dyan, yung representative colors nila. Oh, red si Mika, blue si Aya.
Fire.
Kapikot. Comment dun sa dami. Do you like it?
Oh, maganda.
Ang ganda.
Ah.
Kasi alam mo, ang hindi ko siya masyadong nakikita sa mga K-pop na kasi I think personalized yung mga ganyan nila, yung mga costumes nila kasi 'di ba yung stylist nila siya talaga yung gumagawa.
Kailangan ma-represent din yung ano nila, 'di ba? I mean, may color din sila,
Oo.
'di ba? So,
Tsaka yung mga personalities
makes
din,
sense
ganyan.
na ano.
Sobrang pink yung kay Stacy. Sobrang okay guys, kailangan ko lang din ipaalam sa lahat na ang ganda ni Joanna. Alam mo, yung itsura niya ngayon, kasi syempre, ngayon dalaga na sila eh.
Mm-mm.
When they started, they were what? So, super teenagers. And ngayon, they're all in their 20s. So, nakikita nyo na nagbo-bloom sila as women. So, si Joanna, they're blooming as women, okay? So, si Joanna, as in dalaga na itsura niya. Just, hello, can we talk about yung itsura ni Colette? Habang nakaganyan, hindi ko ma-post ng maayos.
Ano ba yun? Oh.
Hindi ko ma-post ng maayos kasi yung internet mo, nagpipixelate. Pero sobrang ganda ang ganda nilang lahat, yun lang yung masasabi ko. Okay, anyway, balik natin sa dulo bago tayo.
He's just looking at me.
Ang ganda. So, ito ang latest release nila.
Oo, ito yung latest
So
release
far,
nila.
as of today.
Yeah.
latest.
Ito talaga yung
Blink
most
Twice.
recent.
Galing!
Part ng EP.
Ang ganda.
Okay, na-enjoy ko din siya. So, may iba ka pa bang comments about sa Blink Twice?
In general, na-feel ko lang na iba yung vibe niya. Buong album ba, medyo may pagkaganito yung vibe?
Pinarinig nila yung teaser ng buong album. Medyo, I
Ah.
think, medyo similar vibe. Tas it's all, the
Exciting.
songs are all in English.
Oo.
Kasi,
Talaga?
Oo, just to clarify, right? Kasi hindi naman porket English, hindi OPM eh.
That's
So,
true.
oo, and I think the reason why they're gonna put out a full album full of English songs is because they're going on a world tour.
Pero yung last, di ba? Taglish?
Hindi. Before this is
Puro
Cherry on
Tagalog?
Top, English din.
English din.
Before nun, puro Tagalog,
Puro
Taglish.
Tagalog,
Pero
oo.
may English songs din sila. Mga No Fear, Strings. Pero may konting Tagalog.
Etong album na to, full on English yung mga irrelili.
Hindi natin alam, guys.
Ay, hindi pa ba released?
Hindi pa. Sa 27. Tama ba, guys?
Mm.
Okay, sorry, hindi ko alam. Teka, let me check. Para kung may manonood man ito, alam.
Tumunog pa yung Viber.
Wait lang. Beanie EP release.
Wow,
Feb
fairness. Pang ilang album na nila yan?
Kaya tama ako, Feb 27.
Good job.
Huwag mo nang tanungin
Good
nyo
job,
kung
bro.
pang ilang EP dahil hanapin ko pa.
Okay, sige.
Pangatlo ata or pang-apat.
Okay.
Anyway, ang point ko is, teasers lang kasi yung pinarinig ng concert. So, a few seconds per song. So, malay mo, may Tagalog rap dun.
Pwede.
Di ba? Or may, alam mo yan,
Yeah.
ay, ano bang Tagalog? Hindi naman Tagalog. Hindi. So, ang point ko, guys, is, so there's always a reason why things happen the way they do.
Why we're here.
Oo, kasi I mean, matalino naman yung girls. So, I mean, they wouldn't agree to dahil lang puro English, ganyan. Kasi diba, tinatry nga nilang i-advocate yung P-pop and all
And
that.
plus, di ba magkakaroon sila ng US tour?
Yun nga yung sinasabi ko, girl.
Ayun
Hindi
ba?
mo ako
Doon ba tayo
pinapakinggan.
papunta?
Oo, na they're going on a world tour. So,
Ah.
expected, syempre, they have to cater to foreigners also.
Yes,
Alam mo yun?
yes.
Kasi kumukuha nga sila ng bagong fans eh.
Oo.
Na,
That makes sense.
Oo.
Di ba? Na, syempre,
Kung ikaw Amerikano ka, puro Tagalog kakantahin, di ba? Mahirapan ka
I mean, I would still go there to see them and watch them perform.
Oo.
Pero hindi siya yung full-blown may enjoy ko. Kasi
Oo, nang
hindi ko
makakasing along ka,
naiintindihan.
ganyan.
So, tama naman.
Oo.
Kailan ba yung start nung world tour? This year ba? 2025?
Oh, start na. I mean,
Oh
in
my
a few, I
God!
think,
Congrats, Beanie!
Dubai yung first?
Char.
Biniverse.
So, pupunta ang Dubai?
World. Hindi. Tumitingin ako ng US.
Kaya pala finally, nag-go ka na dun sa trip.
Hoy, hindi tayo, iba kasama ko.
2025.
Oo, 2020.
Fair.
Ngayon, I think yung sa Dubai yung una. Hanapin ko pa yung date, pero
Galing.
pa-sold out na rin yung sa Dubai.
Galing!
Okay. That's it for this reaction video.
Blink
So,
twice.
if you like
If you
this
like
video,
it,
okay, aalamin niya yung lyrics para alam niya na next time. Okay, pero if you like
Blink
this,
twice.
girl, ano? If you like this video or this reaction video,
Blink
please
twice.
subscribe, like this video, and also leave a comment. So, kung may mga gusto kayong reactan, so may nag-comment before na mag-react kami sa Unhelpful Guide, and we did that. So, if you want other Beanie videos na i-reactan namin, please let us know, and we'll find time to do that.
If you like this video, blink twice.
Okay, that's it. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.